everyone, welcome to Life in the Valley. On today's episode, we're going to take my granberg Alaskan mill and mill this big butternut that's down here in the bush. I can't get to it with a tractor or anything, so I got to take it out in sections. But yeah, I'm running a Echo 620p with the muffler mod and the limiter jets or whatever they're called pulled, and a 36-inch bar with a 10-degree ripping chain. And this is a 52-inch granberg mill, and then with the granberg easy rail system. So yeah, we'll see how things go. I went ahead and moved my easy rails up, got everything set up again, and they're 10 feet. This is about a 13 foot log, so I had to move it up, but I got everything leveled out again, set again. So we're gonna just go ahead and cut through the rest of this log. We got a pretty good cut on this log for our first cut. Once we get our first cut, that's what that runs off of basically after that, and you just keep slabbing it down. But yeah, this is a big old butternut log. We're at the very back of the farm. That's the sawmill trail right there, and then that's a nature reserve on the other side, 1,000 acres. But this is like an old dump site kind of deal. You can see all the stuff in here. There's actually a homestead just up there, an old foundation, and if you go down that road right there, there's a whole bunch of homesteads and stuff through there. It's pretty neat. So this is old Highway 7 before the original highway was there. So there's tons and tons of homesteads and stuff all through back here. But this butternut came down in here, I don't know, 5-6 years ago, and I figured I'd come in here and see what I can get out of it before the ice goes off the swamp there. Because once that goes off, I have to go down another concession road and come back up to get to the back of the farm here, and then that road, and there's quite a bit of water, so yeah, I figured I'd get it while the getting's good. But yeah, we'll keep on carrying on here. We're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna start our second cut here. We're gonna get into it a little bit, and then I'm gonna let Alyssa try the Alaskan mill. She's never seen anything like this or tried anything like it before, so I think that'd be pretty fun for her.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we'll get at it. Running out of fuel right before we were done this last cut, but yeah, I just got it topped up again, and we're gonna finish all that out. Well, we got our slab off, and yeah, we'll take this back to the mill and see what we can get out of it. That'll be a project for tomorrow though. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. We got that all milled up and everything, so till next time, have a good one, and like and subscribe. Thank you.